last day, Pute, we discussed about internet and we learned that internet is not similar to web, right? Because web is only one service. Web කියන්නේ එක සේවාවක් විතරයි කියලා අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Other than web, there are many services on the internet. Can you name few more services of the internet? Other than web, what are the other services? Other than websites, what are the other services in the internet? Yes? Hello? Only web, or is there any other services?
Video conferencing.
Video conferencing. What else? Anything else? Other than video conferencing, is there anything else? Only video conferencing? We learn many. So what are the other services of the internet? WhatsApp, Vibe and thing, those are called another name. So what is the name given for those things?
Instant messages.
Instant messengers.
Social media.
Yes, instant messengers. Yes, Instagram, all the social media, right? Instant messengers, social media, right? So we learn many such services about the internet. Okay, let's go to the note quickly. Here we are. Sorry. Yes, here we are. We discussed that, right? Other than the internet, and other than web, right? So there are some more services like web, instant messengers, social networking, teleconferencing. Zoom is another service. What is teleconferencing, right? And many service related applications. So one major service is web. One major service is web. Other than web, we have instant messengers and social media, teleconferencing. Those are some other services of the internet.
Miss, I got a connection problem and I joined now.
Right, we were just revising the things, Pute, right? Nothing started, nothing new was started, just discussing the last week lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Right, then we learn what is a website. Website is a collection of web pages. For an example, there are a lot of pages under google.com. All pages together we call that is google.com website. And we learn about web page also. Web page is a single document. And web browser, right? Web browser also we learn about a lot of browsers. Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer, Edge, Tor. Those are web browsers. And search engines also, right? So then, so what is the difference between, okay, so can you tell me, okay, can you tell me different search engines we learn? So what are the different search engines other than google.com? What else we can use to search, Pute? google.com විතරද අපිට search කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් තව ඒවා තියෙනවද? මොනවාද ඒ?
www.bing.com. www.com.
Sorry.
www.yahoo.com.
Yahoo.com, Bing.com. Yes, correct. So those are Bing. Yes. Those are some other search engines that we can use to search web pages. Okay, today we are going to learn some more about these web browsers, right? So today we are going to learn some more about web browsers, especially so what kind of web browsers that we can use and different purposes of those web browsers. You can write the heading different web browsers and usages. Different web browsers and usages. So that is our heading. Okay, so the first one is, under that, the first one is Internet Explorer. It was given with Microsoft Windows. It was given with Microsoft Windows for free. Not much popular due to less user friendliness. It was not much popular because it was less user friendly. ගොඩක් ඒක ලේසි ඒක ටිකක් අනිත් browsers වගේ ලේසි නෑ පාවිච්චි කරන්න චුට්ටක් අර එක එක sites වලට සමහර sites එම ලස්සනට display වෙන්නේ නැහැ ප්‍රශ්න සමහර sites හරියට පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ ඒ හින්දා ඒක එච්චර popular නෑ හැබැයි ඒක නිකන් දුන්නේ Microsoft ලා නිකන් දුන්නේ Microsoft Windows එක දැන් මොනවද නිකන් දෙන්නේ දැන් Windows එක නිකන් හම්බෙන්නේ මොකද්ද
Microsoft Edge.
Microsoft Edge
Microsoft Edge is Sirami.
Microsoft Edge yes Internet Explorer will be stopped and Edge is introduced. Edge was introduced by Microsoft to replace it. Right? That is also by Microsoft Edge. And Mozilla Firefox. It's a free and open source web browser.
Google Chrome.
Google Chrome.
Opera.
Yes. Google Chrome is also a free and open source web browser application.
Opera.
Opera. There is also free and open source web browser application which uses less memory and lightweight. Lightweight කියන්නේ it's like faster. It's not taking much memory.
Is Google Opera GX is there?
Sorry.
Is Opera GX is there?
Opera
EX.
EX.
Yes, sir.
Is it modifications? I have not heard of that. Opera EX. So I don't know.
Also GX.
Oh, I have not heard of maybe recent version or some modification. Don't know much about that. Let me search and tell you. So you are telling about Opera GX.
Yes, sir.
GX. Ah, yes, it's a modification. It's update, right? Special version of Opera. Especially for games, right? Especially for games. Good that you introduced that. Because I didn't know about that. Because I'm not a fan of Opera, basically.
I'm using Opera, sir. Only Opera.
Only Opera. Opera GX.
No, sir, Opera.
You can write that as well, right? That is good. Opera GX. Special version of Opera. Used for games. Chromium. Chromium also lightweight, Lightweight means like it uses less memory.
Chromium, I don't know, sir.
Chromium mostly come in with a single board computing.
Google Firefox. Sir, is it same as Chrome?
No, it's lightweight.
Sir, Google Firefox.
Okay, so what else?
Sir, Google Firefox.
Google Chrome is there. Mozilla Firefox is also there. I have taken that. Safari.
Safari is for Apple. No?
You can use for Windows even.
Sir, for
සර් ටෝ කියන බ්‍රවුසරේ තියන්නේ Apple වල
නෑ, Tor එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්, ඕගොල්ලන්ටත් පුළුවන්. But especially this Tor browser is used for accessing anonymously, or like anonymous access, or accessing basically some people are using to access darknet and deep web, right? So that is anonymous. Anonymous means if you don't want to give your information to the people, especially if you want to browse internet from other country, right? So you want to show that you are not from Sri Lanka, you are coming from some other country. Likewise, you don't want to show your originality. So we call anonymous. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා ඇත්තටම කවුද කියලා පෙන්වන්න ඕන නැහැ. රහසිගතව access කරන්න ඕන web එක. So then basically Tor browser is used for that purpose, and darknet, deep web, so it's used for that. Okay, these are the different web browsers that you can use. Okay, let's see each browser now, right? Let's see each of these browsers. First of all, please write this, and after that I'm going to show you practically what are the browsers and why these browsers are used, and what are the different usages of browsers, and maybe some browser settings like how to set home page, how to go back, how to come forth, and how to see the history of a web browser. Likewise, let's learn that. Okay, please let me know after finishing this. හරි ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ කියන්න. එතකොට මට ඒ ටික ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right, the first thing that I'm going to show you is Google Chrome. Right, I don't have Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge in my computer, but I'll show it in one of your computers, right? Because in my computer I'm using Apple, so I can show you what Safari, Tor, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, maybe so there's another one called TriptoTab, can show you that as well, right? So this is TriptoTab. TriptoTab is a special browser that is like you can, so this is used for Bitcoin digging and all, but it is not a high performance browser. It's based on Firefox project, I think, right? So this is,
the background is so beautiful, sir.
sorry,
The background is so beautiful.
I'm not getting your points. Can you tell it again?
The background is so beautiful. I like that.
Background, yeah, that's right. Okay, okay, so let's close it. And now go to the Google Chrome. Here it is. And when you go to Google Chrome, So Google is just a web page, right? Google කියන එක web page එකක් විතරයි. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතනවා Google තියෙනවා නම් ඒ Google Chrome කියලා. එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් මේ තියෙන්නේ Google Chrome එකේ Google website එක. ඉතින් මේ Google website එක වෙන ඒවා යන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ Safari වලට ගිහිල්ලා ඔන්න Safari මේ තියෙන Safari browser එක. Safari browser එකට ගිහිල්ලා Google website එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. දැන් මේක Google Chrome වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේක Safari. browser එක Safari, web page එක Google Chrome. හරි. එහෙනම් පටලවා ගන්න එපා. මේ තමයි Safari browser එකේ ලොකු වෙනසක් ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන්නේ නැහැ. අර address bar එක උඩින් තියෙනවා. එතකොට menus මොකුත් ලොකුවට එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක තමයි වෙනස.
Excuse me, sir.
ඔව්.
Sir, what is the special thing about Chromium?
Chromium is faster. Actually, it's lightweight, not using much memory. Right? That is the advantage. But when you are going to display some pages, there are issues. But anyway, for basic pages, Chromium is good. Okay, then මම කියන්නේ Google කියන්නේ web page එකක් විතරයි. හරි. Google කියන එක මේක open කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ වෙනේම Firefox වලත් Google open කරන්න. Firefox වලට ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාලට ඕන Google open කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඕනම web browser එකක Google open කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ඒක ඔයාලා Google Chrome එක පටලවා ගන්න එපා. දැන් සමහර දරුවන්ට මම කියනකොට හරි මම ඔයා Google Chrome වලට යන්න කිව්වම ඒගොල්ලෝ Edge වලට ගිහිල්ලා Google වලට ගිහිල්ලා පෙන්නනවා. That is not correct, right? Edge කියන්නේ browser එක, Google කියන්නේ website එක. Edge is not Google, right? Okay. Then so I just want to know the usage of each button. Why this button is used? So can you tell what is the usage of the button in the corner? This one.
Go to forward.
Go to backward.
Yes, to go
back.
right. Let's say now I'm in Google. I'm Google එකේ ඉන්නේ. Okay, I'll browse some information. I'll browse okay, COVID 19. Let's say COVID-19 world metrics, world meter, COVID-19 world meter. Then after browsing that, I'm going to the worldmeters.info and see the status of COVID-19. So it shows the status of Sri Lanka, quite pathetic for the moment. So
In Helaguru, it is too.
Sorry.
In Helaguru, they show us too.
Yeah, Helapuru also showing that this is how it's about Sri Lanka. Then you can see we are in the fourth cycle. It's not good. It's growing, and the active cases are also increasing, and you can see the deaths are also increasing. So it's really dangerous because daily deaths are going really high. So you have to be safe on that. So this is worldmeters.info website, and I can see the country situation, different countries. So you can see the worldwide situation here, and also, so let's load this. You can see the country situations, and USA, so they are on the top because the total number of cases 36 million, total number of deaths like 600,000 plus, and even their population is around 333 million. Actually 10% of the population is affected according to this statistic, because 333 million out of 333, more than 10%, 36 million got infected. India, so they have 1.3 million, the world's largest population, one of the largest populations, and out of that 31 million is affected. Then the Brazil, so they have so almost 10% there also. And likewise, then when you go down, you can see the countries. So now actually the Sri Lanka is here, is in 65. So you can see the number of the population is 21 million. Out of 21 million, 300,000 get affected. So according to the current statistics, right? So it's not a very good trend. It's really bad now, right? So that's why you have to be safe. Right, okay, now we have visited few websites. We visited Sri Lanka world matrix, and then visited Sri Lanka statistics like us. Now we want to go back and see what was the Sri Lankan situation. Then we can click the back button and then go to the Sri Lanka. Then again we can click back and go to the previous web page, which is google.com, the search result. Then again I can go back and I can go to the Google web page. That is why back button is used. Understood?
To back button shortcut, we can use Alt left key. No?
Alt and left key. Then what will happen?
Then
Control,
we go plus 2.
control left or alt left?
Alt.
Right. In my one, it is control left, actually command left and command right. Right. So because that is Apple one, and maybe your one, it's alt left and alt right. Right. Okay. So then I can go forward here. Backward I can go forward. This is world meter, again forward. Statistics of Sri Lanka, again forward. Statistics of the world. Likewise, I can move forward. So this forward and
The control left is also working.
yes, control left and control right. That is the usual shortcut. That's why I thought that why is that control left and control right, right? So that is typical one. Maybe alt is also working, but I have tried control right, control right, control left to navigate. Control right will go forward, control left will go backward.
The control is easy because it is near to the arrow.
Yes. Okay. Then, so what is this one? What is this one?
Reload.
Refresh.
Reload.
Reload.
F5.
Why refresh is used?
If the web browser is the website is not working, we can reset it.
Website is not working. That is one scenario. Is there any other thing? Website එකක් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති කොටත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් ඇත්ත. තව මොනවාද?
It is not responding.
Web browser අපි දැන් website එකක් update වෙනවා කියලා. දැන් අපි හිතමු මම website එකකට යනවා, right? I'm going to a website. I'm going to other let's say news first. News first. I'm going to newsfirst.lk. Right? Okay, after 1 hour or after 2 hours, so I need to see the same website, but I have not closed the website. Assume that I have not closed this website, and I want to see the same website after after few hours. Then what I can do is, without visiting that again, I can reload. Make a matter reload karan. Make a reload karna kota. Hari? It was a velave latest news එක තමයි උඩට. තව පැයකින් විතර ඒ වෙලාවේ latest update එක තමයි උඩට. Okay, so let's go to a site which is updating regularly. I'm going to ikman.lk to show that.
Sir,
Right?
After sometimes we have to reload, but the same news is not there.
Same
News is not there. No?
Sorry, same
News is not there. No?
yeah, same news will not be there. Sometimes it might change because after some time, right? But so let's see this one. So this ikman.lk. I'm going to electronics, right? So you can also try this, right? I'm sending this to you. මේ link එක මම ඔයාලට එවන්නම්. ඔයාලත් මේකට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. දැන් මේකේ තියෙනවා දැන්ට විකුණන්න තියෙන electronic items. හරි. එතකොට උඩින්ම තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඔයගොල්ලන්ට උඩින්ම එන්නේ මොකද්ද? What comes first? What you can see first? This is what I can see. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන්නේ මොනවද? මේ link එකට sorry.
so I can
Yes.
only see welcome page like electrical.
මේක චුට්ටක් පල්ලහැට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. දැන් වෙල්කම් එකේ චුට්ටක් පල්ලහැට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. මේ පල්ලහැට ගියාම
Sir, Apple Watch.
Apple Watch එකක්
There are no Apple Watch.
Apple Watch එකක් පෙන්නනවලු යාට. මේ මෙතන just now කියලා පෙන්නන එක මම අහන්නේ. මේවා නෙවෙයි, මේ sponsored ඒවා නෙවෙයි. මේ රතු පාටින් තියෙන sponsored ඒවා නෙවෙයි. තේනුර? TikTok වීඩියෝ එකක් ඕකේ පෙන්නන්නේ ad එකක් වෙන්නේ නැති. හරි. පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහාට ගිහලා බලන්න TikTok වීඩියෝ එකක් නම් ඕකේ පෙන්නන්න විදියක් නෑ තේනුර.
JBL Tune 110.
ඒකද ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්නේ. හරි. දැන් මම දැන් ඔහොම තියනනම් දැන් ඔයාලට උඩම පෙන්නන එක දැන් මේ just now කියලා පෙන්නන එක නෝට් කරගන්න. හරි පුතේ චුට්ටක් අහන් ඉන්නකෝ. හරි ඉස්සලම අහන් ඉන්නකෝ. පොඩ්ඩක් අහන් ඉන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයාලට මිස් වෙයි. ඕකේ. දැන් මේකේ just now කියලා ඔයාලට එකක් පෙන්නනවනේ මොකක් හරි. හරි ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් මතක තියාගන්න. මේ just now කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ මට කෑගල්ලේ තියෙන Huawei GR5 32GB use phone එකක් තමයි පෙන්නන්නේ. මට. හරි just now කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් ටිකක් වෙලානේ මේක පෙන්නලා. After that I'm going to refresh this again. After that I'm going to reload or refresh this again. දැන් මම refresh button එක click කරනවා. ඔන්න බලන්න. දැන් මේක මතක තියාගන්න. refresh කරනවා. දැන් ඔන්න. reload or refresh. හරි. දැන් මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? දැන් මට පෙන්නන්නේ Apple just now විදියට පෙන්නන්නේ මොකද්ද? Apple iPhone XS Max. ඒක තමයි just now පෙන්නන්නේ.
Sir,
ඔගොල්ලෝ
I can
මොකද්ද පුතේ?
that Apple phone one now.
Yeah, that is Apple phone one. And ඊට පස්සේ මම දැන් අරක කලින් පෙන්නපු එක ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. Yes, we are. It has gone down, right? Here 3 minutes ago කියලා තමයි ඒක පෙන්නන්නේ. මේ කලින් පෙන්නපු. It's 3 minutes ago.
There are some earphone.
Right. Okay. Then I'm going to refresh again, right? I'm going to refresh again. Right. Now I can see, still I can see the Apple phone. 1 minute ago, Apple phone. Still I can see the same. So can you see the same Apple phone or different one?
Apple phone, sir.
Apple phone.
Apple phone, sir.
Yeah.
Apple. Only Apple.
Only Apple phone, right? Okay. So then you can refresh. Maybe. Okay, let's refresh now. Okay. Still it's there, right? Still it's there. Maybe you can refresh after. Let's do this after some few minutes, right? After doing the lesson, let's come back and do it after few minutes, and then we can see that it has gone down. So that is what update, that refresh is. Refresh කරනකොට ටිකක් වෙලා ගියාම ඒක now you can see another one. What is that? Now you can see
Yes, JBL
New Panasonic 332.
and 50.
yes, JBL Quantum 50, right? So this is not what I'm telling, right? These are sponsored ad. මේ පාටින් තියෙනේව නෙමෙයි මම කියන්නේ white color එක. White color ඒවා තමයි updated. Now you understood why we are using this refresh, right? Refresh will give you most recent details, right? Refresh එකෙන් දෙන්නේ අලුත්ම ඒවා. refresh කරාම website එක update වෙලා තියෙනවා නම් අලුත්ම ඒවා තමයි දෙන්නේ. Now we can see, I can see F2 enlarged screen. You can also see the same F2 enlarged string. So likewise, it's updating, right? Updating fastly. Therefore, you can see new update always. Understood the usage of the button?
Yes, sir.
Then the home one. So when I click, so what will happen if you click home one? How many of you can see? How many of you cannot see the home button? Who cannot see the home button? මේ තියෙන මේ button දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ refresh තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ home තියෙනවා. කාටද home button එක පෙන්නන්න නැත්තේ?
Sir, I can't see the home button.
You can't.
So I also can't see the home button.
Okay, I'll help you get in the home button, right? Can you share your screen then? One of you who cannot see home button, can you share? Then I'll suggest how to get that. Okay, Dulnitha. Dulnitha wage home button එක පෙන්වන්නේ නැද්ද? So okay, you can't see, right? Okay. Okay, Dulnitha, please go to this. This is I think is this Chrome? Is your browser Chrome or something else? This is Opera, right? This is Opera, right? I'm talking about Google Chrome or Firefox, right? Okay, right. So then can anyone else share the same?
So Microsoft Edge.
Edge වලත් command නැහැ මම කියලා දෙන්නම් ඒකේ. හරි, this is like, what is your browser පුතේ?
Google, sir.
Google Chrome. Google කියලා එකක් නැහැ, Google Chrome. හරි. Okay, can you click the triple, can you triple click on this sorry, can you click on this triple dots and go to settings? Others also can do the same. හරි, අනිත් අයටත් ඒකම කරන්න පුළුවන්. dot 3 උඩ click කරලා settings යන්න ඕන. Then when you go to settings, okay, let's move පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහාට යන්න පුතේ මේක. චුට්ටක්. Okay, further. Appearance. Okay, you can see here. Show home button. Can you see this? Show home button is disabled. That is the reason why you cannot see the home button. So you can enable by pressing that. Right now you can see the home button. Others can do the same. If still difficult to find.
I did it, sir.
Right, okay. So anyone else having problems? Okay, if anyone else having problems, please let me know. Right, I think no one, right? Then you have to do something like this. When you click the home button, you have to load a web page. That web page is, let's say you want to load a web page. What is that? Okay, when you click the home button, you want to load this one. This web page. When you click that home button, you want to load e-Taksalawa related to English medium and related to grade 6. And you want to load all the syllabuses or materials related to grade 6, this one. Right? When you click the home button, then that means when you click this home button, you should load this web page. When you click the home button, it should load this web page. Can you do that? Who can do that? And who can't? If you want, I'll send you the link. So this is the link. I'm copying that and sending it to you. කාටද පුළුවන් ඒක home button එක click කරාම මේ page එකට යන්න හදන්න. Who can do that and who cannot? So there's a small settings to change.
I can.
Okay, good.
I can.
Right. If you came to the Sinhala medium class, I know you are doing it. Right. Okay. Others also. Right. When you click on these triple, so if you are in Google Chrome, when you click on these 3 dots, you can go to the settings. Under settings, you can see the home button. This one. Where? Here. Appearance. You can see show home button. I have enabled that. Then here actually I can paste that link. Right. Show home button underneath of